Bantamweight title on the line.
Who once possessed the bantamweight belt.
No one has ever been able to do this to Dominick Cruz. Just a sensational performance by the challenger, Cody Garbrandt.
Marked the conclusion of a rapid rise to prominence. But the thrill of victory in MMA.
Garbrandt's down! He wrested the belt away from Cody Garbrandt!
And justice.
I just spent too many minutes watching little videos of shitty wannabe rappers dissing me. I just spent the winter living after someone tried to send a kill shot missing me. Young blonde Don and the double X mob got a gang out in Sicily. Why you think they call me the gunner? I'm popping off on anybody if they trigger me. Black and yellow jacket on like I'm Kill Bill. Grew up strapping and I still will. We can take it back to 2012. I was trapping on the tour bus with Meek Mill. Take it back to Cleveland when they gave Chase 17 years, no plea deal. 2014 when the people try to rob me in the lobby, I bet they can feel the feet still. Point on my enemy soon as they mention me, calling assembly. Pick up a pen and put you out your misery. Written in history, it was gonna happen eventually. I just can't wait till the day that I run into you physically. For everything that I went through mentally, when it felt like everybody in the world was against me. When all the critics in every article tried to offend me. My daughter slapped a kid but talk about me in elementary. We ain't playing, it's deeper than the fame. People getting jacked for disrespecting the Philly name. 2 chopsticks, no low main. Hollow tips got no name. Bust them shits with no aim. Like it's Bird Box, but the blindfold is a black flag. This time to cover my face, the dash cam just saw me killing everybody. He said I've been in one legend that tried to fuck with me and then got the venom. One publication that said that I will never be in it. One agent that told me without her my career's finished. And I couldn't give a single fuck inside my cerebellum. Y'all award show suck, go tell them. We ain't sucking no dick in the 21-6. Brought O's to the land like Beckham on the 13th floor with a weapon.